My name's Ceri-Ann Ross and I'm the reporting leader at Chartered Accountants ANZ. My role's primarily advocacy, so I advocate on behalf of members working with government departments and agencies and other stakeholders to influence the reporting agenda. So many of our members provide services to not-for-profit entities and they're telling us that the regulations are overly complex and inconsistent. So the government's currently reviewing the ACNC legislation, so this is the perfect opportunity for us to have our say, have our voices heard, and to be able to influence the regulations and get them right for the future. Chartered Accountants ANZ will be putting in a submission on the ACNC review, so we need members to provide us their comments by the 16th of February. We need members to tell us what's working and what's not working with the regulations, what works well and what needs to be fixed. Currently, the ACNC only regulates charities, but it's the Australian Charities and Not-for-Profits Commission. So you have to think, should the ACNC regulate all not-for-profit entities? There's an argument that says there could be economies of scale of having regulation of all not-for-profit entities under the one roof. But is that regulation really necessary? Should your local sporting club have the same kind of regulation as a charity that raises millions of dollars from the public? Who uses the reports that are put out by charities? Who uses their financial reports? If you're donating money to a charity, do you run out and have a look at their financial reports, or do you just take it on trust that they are going to spend the funds appropriately? We need members to tell us, what does useful reporting look like? What would help their users and their stakeholders and their donors to make decisions about how much to donate and when to donate and what for? Should there be a better balance between the financial and the non-financial reporting? Should it be more about what a charity does and less about the cash book? Members tell us that the reporting framework is currently too complex and the requirements are too inconsistent. A financial reporting framework needs to cover charities that raise over $100 million, and it also needs to cover charities that raise less than $50,000. But how do you structure it so that charities aren't overburdened with compliance? How do you match user needs against preparer costs? That's what we want members to tell us. We need members to tell us where are the other areas to cut red tape. One area might be the audit and assurance requirements. Should they be simplified? Should audits be opened up to persons other than registered company auditors to improve the supply of assurance practitioners in rural and regional areas? The ACNC said it will be doing more to stamp out misconduct. We need members to tell us, is this the right approach? Should the regulator be being tougher on the sector? Should the regulator be doing more to enhance accountability in the not-for-profit sector? We need members to give us their insights into regulation of the sector so that we can advocate on their behalf. There are a number of different ways members can share their views with us. Members can email us, they can comment on this video, or they can click on the link which will take them to the website to find out more information.